What is the average lifespan of a domestic cat? B. 12–15 years. What is a group of cats called? C. Clouder. Which sense in cats is highly developed? B. Smell. What do you call a cat that doesn't have a tail? A. Manx. What color are a newborn kitten's eyes? A. Blue. Which breed of cat is known for its curly coat? C. Devon Rex. What is a cat's main form of communication? A. Meowing. What is the term for a female cat? A. Queen. Which country is famous for the Siamese breed of cats? C. Thailand. What percentage of a cat's bones are in its tail? B. 10%.